What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm finally doing another one of 5 types of RC car drivers. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get on with the video. See you then. Number 1, the one who always runs out of gas.
I'm out of battery again.
Imagine that! Number 2, the curb hopper. Number 3, the crawler. Number 4, the drifter. Oh yeah, number 5, the one who follows their car. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I want to hit 50 subscribers by the end of this month.